Hello! Welcome to your art project of the day. Today we're going to be making a sailboat. When Daniel was taken into captivity, we aren't entirely sure how that was done. He could have been taken on a boat to his new home in Babylon, or he could have had to walk for many miles. Most likely it was a combination of them both. So today I'm going to show you how to create a small sailboat out of paper. This boat should float, so if you have a little swimming pool or a bathtub, you should be able to float this boat on top and see it go around if you blow on it, okay? The first thing you need is a piece of paper of the color of your choice. I'm just using a purple color because it's my favorite color. The first thing after you have your paper is you're going to need to make it into a square. Now you can do this by taking the top corner, bringing it down, and when the opposite one here forms a perfect point, see how I'm getting a perfect point right down at the bottom? I line it up so it's even, and then I take my finger and smooth it out. So see how this side is even, it lines up, that's what I need it to do, okay? Like this. I'm then going to take a pair of scissors. I'm going to cut that extra rectangle off. You can save that and use it for something else. So now I have a triangle. I'm going to now fold this triangle in half, just like this. Okay? After I fold it in half, I'm then going to fold it the opposite way. So now I have a rectangle and fold it in half again, and now it becomes a square. Okay? I'm now going to open this up. I'm going to choose two of my sides across from each other. I'm going to fold them into the middle. So I'm folding one side into the middle like this, and one side just like this. Make sure they're folded perfectly to the middle. Okay? This is what you want. Okay, now this part is the hardest part. You might need help from a parent to do this part, okay? Now, what you're going to do is on your top and bottom pieces here. You see how we made a fold there? You're going to fold it towards the back. It might not do this naturally, you might have to force it. So you're going to fold it so that these two triangles come together here. And, this is difficult, I know, these two triangles come together here. So this is what it looks like when you're folding it from the top. See how everything's going towards the inside. This is what it looks like from this angle. And here's what it looks like from here. Okay? So let me show you again, because I know that part's hard. These parts, they fold in towards the middle like this. And now I have a shape that looks like this. These sides come down here, and these can move around up top. Okay, you might need to play that part a couple times because I know that part was very difficult, okay? So, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold one of my sides down, just like this. Okay, I'm folding it down. I'm then going to fold it up, but only part of the way. So look, I'm not folding it the whole way up. I want it to be shorter than my other one, okay? Typically when you have a sailboat, one of the sails is bigger than the other. Not always the case, but sometimes, okay? So I'm gonna fold that now and put that inside the boat. See, it was outside there. I'm just gonna open this up and tuck it in, just like this, okay? Finally, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold the bottom up like this. Okay? Now, you can leave it like this, and if you leave it like this in the back, it will be able to sit up. So if you want to prop this on your desk or something, you can hold it by this little back part here and make it go. If, however, you want this to be more of a boat that looks real, okay, you can pop this open a little bit on the sides here. You can take this bottom pieces here, fold them up and under, just like this. So now they're inside here. And if you want to make this secure, you can use a piece of tape or two to do so. If you're not worried about it floating, you don't need tape. It'll just stay like this, okay? But if you want to try to make it float, I do recommend you put one piece of tape along the bottom, just like this, and one piece of tape along the opening of the big sail, okay? Just like this. Now when you open it up a little bit, okay, now you actually have a little sailboat, okay? So, have fun with this. I hope it turns out well. I know this is kind of difficult, but just be patient and it will work for you.